very much RSSDI and President Dr. Banshi for having asked me to give a brief about my topic that I am presenting at the annual conference of RSSDI. The topic of my presentation is History of Diabetes in India. And I'm glad to say that India was never a late starter in taking up the cause of diabetes. In the ancient times, there were some very important physicians who came into being in our country, and to name few of them, they were Charaka, Susruta, Vegabhata, and Madhavkara. And diabetes was known since old times, since even Vedic times in our country. And these four scientists and further our fathers and forefathers have described the characteristics of diabetes. And I am very glad to say that even after the discovery of insulin, India grabbed the opportunity and started administering the insulin to the needy patients right within 2 to 3 years after the marvelous discovery of insulin. So I'm very happy, and I would like to gratefully acknowledge my thanks to the RSDI organizers for having given me this opportunity to present a brief about my talk. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Vinod Kumar, patron of the Research Society for Study of Diabetes in India. Thank you.